In construction, the quality of material used matter a great deal. It can either make or mar your project. This is why one has to be very careful when choosing the right materials for a project. And you know, we are all about transparency and letting you, our clients, in on the nitty-gritty of our construction process. So if you have ever wondered or wanted to know how much work goes into the actual construction, then come with me. Work is currently ongoing and we are presently working on the reinforcement for the first floor slab and beam. The reinforcement essentially provides durability and tensile strength to the structure. With this, it is evident that Tribitat Real Estate takes pride in not just building, but building with the right materials that will last you a lifetime.